Well friends, in this video we will see O of Alcoa principle, that is original concept. Original suggests the first source of data should be captured. That means when I perform any work, by virtue of that work, what data is generated, that first source of data shall be captured always. That data shall be stored always. That source shall be stored always. What is meant by that? For example, in our day-to-day life, you get for example, you say electricity bill. You get electricity bill, right? So now what you do? You pay that electricity bill. When you pay that electricity bill, you get a receipt. And for your record, maybe you may be writing how much electricity bill you spent in this month in your notebook. So that electricity bill what you got after paying, that receipt what you got, that is the original, that is the source, first captured source. And what data, what bill you paid, you recorded in your logbook, that data you transcribed in certain notebook, right? So first captured data, that electricity paid receipt is the first source of data, that should be preserved. And you remember in your day-to-day life, though you pay the bill electronically or by going to the counter, whatever receipt you get, you will store that for a certain period of time, maybe 6 months, 1 year, etc. This is what the original concept, which we follow in our day-to-day life. The same thing is applicable for the organization, or the same principle is used in the organization as well. Whenever any work is performed, that data need to be transcribed. For example, now I performed any work. For example, I performed a titration. I am getting the data as 8.1. That 8.1 I have to record on a proven storage media what we discussed in case of contemporaneous activity. Proven storage media may be your report, test report. On that report itself I have to record first time. That is original. If I record that data on any plain paper, then that plain paper will become the original report. However, we are not keeping record of that plain paper, which has not got any value. That's why it is being said, don't write anything on any plain paper. We have to record that directly on the report. That is what original. Clear? Similarly, it goes with case of the electronic system also. If I perform any work in the electronic system, for example, GC instrument, HPLC instrument, or for example, you take a SCADA or PLC incorporated systems, etc. How their originality is implemented? You might be aware of the concept of audit trail. What is seen in the audit trail? Who logged in, when logged in, what activity performed, at what time performed, at what date it is performed. At any instruments audit trail, if you see, these all things will be captured. Initially, for example, if I have logged in a system morning at 10 o'clock, I performed that activity, I set certain temperature, certain parameters, and logged out at 10:50. Suppose if 11 o'clock, if I logged in again and set the parameter, or for example, my supervisor logged in with his login credentials and changed that parameters, right? And later if he logged out, and then if we see the audit trail, in audit trail both activities are seen. What are those? At 10 o'clock I logged in with my login credentials at set parameter, certain parameter, and at 11 o'clock my supervisor logged in and changed that parameter. Both should be seen. That is what? Originality. It is not that what I logged in and all those are erased, and then at 11 o'clock whatever parameter set only that is seen. That is not originality. This is how the in electronic system the originality concept is implemented. Clear? Right? So in paper documents, if all the procedures are established, all SOPs have been made. For example, I need to perform certain operation at temperature 22 degrees Celsius. If I don't do that at 22 degrees Celsius, if that operation is performed at 24 degrees Celsius, then I have to mention 24 degrees Celsius only, quoting with certain quality management tools. Maybe incident need to be taken or deviation need to be taken, wherein we specify in SOP so and so temperature is need to maintain, but while performing the activity temperature maintained was 24. So original asked was 22, but actual maintained is 24. So that is what the originality concept. Clear? So first captured source of data shall be preserved. That is what originality concept. Clear? If you have any doubt, please post in comment. Let me try to answer that. Thank you.